quite a fellow, lived in constant dread of numbers squared. They filled his head, a terror it was said. His clock was set to 7:59, then back to 8:01 for 64. That dreaded number made his senses stun. His cereal box was pure nightmare, 3/4 cup, oh my. For 9/16 would make him quake and make his spirit cry. A recipe with 2 cube butter sent him quite insane. He hurled the soufflé out the window, shouting, "No perfect volumes plain." Oh, Barty Bumble, poor old chap with a frightful geometric curse. Tetragonosnumerophobia, the world's most absurd verse. No perfect squares could he endure, no angles could he face. He craved an oblong universe, a non-Euclidean space. A pillow fluffer by his trade, a soft and fluffy art, till clients asked for 7 pillows, tearing him apart. 49 squares, he shrieked aloud and threw the feathers high. Mathematical tyranny, he roared beneath a bewildered sky. On a date, a charming lady, with a smile so sweet and bright, asked of his favorite board game, filling him with fright. Not chess, he croaked and fainted flat when she loved number 9. 3 times 3 is still a square, a truly horrid sign. Oh, Barty Bumble, poor old chap with a frightful geometric curse. Tetragonosnumerophobia, the world's most absurd verse. No perfect squares could he endure, no angles could he face. He craved an oblong universe, a non-Euclidean space. His poor therapist had tried each healing way, from checkerboards to prime hypnosis, ending in dismay. He screamed 4 at every window, a constant panicked sound. They pulse with evil energy, he'd tell her safe and sound. At Lily's talent show, the final dreadful fated scene. 1 squared is 1, cried sweet young Lily, a joyful bubbly queen. 10 squared is 100, she beamed with glee. Not knowing why, Barty shrieked, "No square, only oblong," and collapsed with an axe with an sigh. Oh, Barty Bumble, poor old chap with a frightful geometric curse. Tetragonosnumerophobia, the world's most absurd verse. No perfect squares could he endure, no angles could he face. He craved an oblong universe, a non-Euclidean space. Beyond her years, with glitter on her face, said, "Uncle Barty, don't you fret, we'll find a safer place." She gave him then a wondrous gift, a rhombus made of felt, a non-square shape, a loving token, where no dread could be felt. Oh, Barty Bumble, poor old chap with a frightful geometric curse. Tetragonosnumerophobia, the world's most absurd verse. No perfect squares could he endure, no angles could he face. He craved an oblong universe, a non-Euclidean space.